Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parts of speech under sentence. Underscore sentence. This is Mohibullah, assistant teacher English, Dhanmondi Government Boys High School. Sentence. What is sentence? When a group of words make complete sense, then it is called sentence. Example: my mother helped when I was a child. Rina helped when she was alive. Nazma was a little girl when we lost her. According to structure, sentences are of three kinds. Structure অনুসারে sentence তিন প্রকার. They are simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. এই সিম্পল ও কমপ্লেক্স কম্পাউন্ড বুঝতে হলে আগে আমরা ক্লজ ও ফ্রেজ সম্পর্কে আমাদের জানা দরকার. তো হোয়াট ইজ ক্লজ অ্যান্ড ফ্রেজ? Clause is a group of words that has subject and predicate and has a complete sense. Example: he said that he was an honest boy. He said এইটুকু হলো একটা ক্লজ, দ্যাটের পরে he was an honest boy, এটা একটা ক্লজ. এবার ফ্রেজ. It is a group of word but it means as a word. একটা ওয়ার্ড হিসেবে এটা বোঝে. As, in a lieu of, instead of, absent from, absorbed in short. এগুলো হলো ফ্রেজ. Clauses are of two kinds. Clauses সাধারণত দুই প্রকার: principal clause and subordinate clause. প্রথম principal clause. The clause which is independent is called dependent is called principal clause. Is called principal clause. Dependent নয়, এখানে ভুল আছে, principal clause. Example: I helped the poor and they were needy. Subordinate clause. The clause that is dependent known as subordinate clause. Subordinate clause dependent আর independent হলো principal clause. Independent এখানে in হবে. Subordinate clause, this clause that is dependent, that is নির্ভরশীল, known as subordinate clause. Example: the people were happy because they got their help from government. এখানে because এর পরের অংশ এটা হলো একটা ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লজ. ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ক্লজগুলো সাধারণত দ্যাট, বিকজ, সো দ্যাট ইত্যাদি যোগে হয়ে থাকে. Phrases are of seven kinds. They are noun phrase, adjective phrase, verbal phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, interjectional phrase ইত্যাদি. Noun phrase. It is consisted of noun and pronoun. He was given food and shelter. এখানে noun আর noun দিয়ে তৈরি হয়েছে. The lion is a beast of prey. এখানেও beast of prey, এখানে এইটুকু হলো আন্ডারলাইনওয়ালা, এই স্থানটা হলো noun phrase. এখন adjective phrase. Adjective phrase, it is consisted of, it construct with adjective. Then it is a ring of gold. ring of gold এখানে ও একটা বেশি হয়ে গেছে. ring of gold. He is of noble birth. He is of noble birth. Verbal phrase. It is consisted of verb and other words. As she was walking, was walking, এইটুকু হলো verb phrase. He should wait, এইটুকু হলো verb phrase. Those girls are not trying very hard. বেশি চেষ্টা করেছেন, are not trying, এইটুকু হলো verbal phrase. Ted might eat the cake, এখানে might eat, এইটুকু হলো verb. Now adverbial phrase. It is consisted of adverb and other words. As he runs with speed, they walked side by side. Prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of preposition. He stood in front of me. The old man is at the point of death. Conjunctional phrase. A conjunctional phrase conducts the function of the conjunction. As go there as soon as you can. No sooner had he gone than his father went away. এখানে as soon as, then his father, এইটুকু হলো conjunctional phrase. Interjectional phrase. It conducts the function of an interjection. Example: what is a miracle? Dana has come to the program. My goodness, what has Helena done? এখানে what a miracle and my goodness, these two is interjectional phrase. Simple sentence. The simple sentence has only a clause with a subject and predicate is called simple sentence. Rahim is a good boy. Meena is a talkative girl. Hannah is introvert girl. I like her. Complex sentence. The sentence that has only one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause, known as complex sentence. Example: he worked hard so that he earned a lot of money. They said that they would help the poor. A compound sentence. Number 3. The sentence that has more than one principal clause is known as compound sentence. Example: he helped the corona affected people and he had a strong mind. Simple sentences are of 5 kinds. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence. The sentence that describes generally is known as assertive sentence. The woman helps the poor. She is a good woman. I like Dr. Muhammad Shahidullah. He is a prominent scholar in Bangladesh. Interrogative sentence. The sentence that uses to ask a question to the person or about the things are known as interrogative sentence. Examples: do you like me? Are you helping the people? What do you want? What do you know about the people? There are 2 types of questions. They are yes no question and WH question. Imperative sentence. The sentence that expresses an order or a request or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Example: go home, attend to your lesson, please help me, let me go now, never tell a lie, don't tell a lie, don't run in the sun, do not tell a lie. This sentence is double. For optative sentence, a sentence which expresses a prayer or wish is called an optative sentence. Example: may you live long, may you be happy, may his soul rest in peace, may Allah bless you, may you prosper in life. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses some sudden feelings of mind or emotion is called an exclamatory sentence. Examples: how nice the flower is, what a nice flower it is, how ill she looks, how beautiful the bird is, what a fool the boy is. We use full stop in assertive, imperative and optative sentence. We use note of interrogation in interrogative sentence. We use note of exclamation in exclamatory sentence. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.